At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Understanding your blood type is more than just a number or letter on a chart. It can be a life-saving piece of information. A blood type chart is a practical tool that helps individuals and healthcare professionals quickly determine blood type compatibility, which is crucial in various medical situations like blood transfusions, organ transplants, and pregnancy care. Blood is constantly in demand, especially for emergencies. According to the American Red Cross, 1 in every 7 patients admitted to the hospital requires a blood donation. This could be for a red blood cell transfusion to boost hemoglobin and iron levels, a platelet transfusion for cancer patients, or plasma transfusions for liver failure. However, not all blood types are compatible, so knowing your blood type and understanding what that means can be critical. The blood type chart breaks down the 4 major blood groups, A, B, AB, and O, along with the Rh factor, which can be positive or negative. Your blood type is inherited from your parents, making it a unique combination of their DNA. Some blood types are more common than others, while rare blood types may only be found in 1 of 1,000 people. Using a blood type chart is straightforward. Firstly, download the chart. Start by downloading the blood type chart from our website. It's a quick reference guide you can use anytime. Determine the blood type. Your patient's blood type can be determined through a simple blood test. Knowing this can be crucial, especially in situations where a blood transfusion or organ transplant might be needed. Check compatibility. Once you know the blood type, use the chart to see who your patient can safely donate to or receive blood from. This step is vital for ensuring safe transfusions and avoiding complications. So when would you use this blood type chart? Determining compatibility. In emergencies, every second counts. Knowing a patient's blood type ahead of time can speed up the process of finding a compatible donor. Blood transfusions. Whether in the ER or during surgery, this chart helps doctors and nurses make quick, accurate decisions about blood compatibility. Identifying availability. Some blood types, like O negative, are in high demand because they're universal donors. This chart helps track availability and ensure that the right type of blood is on hand when needed. Testing in pregnancy. It's important to identify the Rh factor during pregnancy to prevent complications. If a mother is Rh negative and the father is Rh positive, there could be a risk of Rh incompatibility, which could lead to serious health issues for the baby. Here's a sample of our blood type chart to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more of our free templates, visit our template library on the Carepatron website, linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features, and signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Carepatron channel for more content like this.